Let's go.
Like what?
There's a big fish there.
So this is the extra bed for your son. You can close So there's a separate air conditioning fan, television for the outside. You have a glass door.
This one is safe, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So yeah, because
he's standing.
yes, it's okay. You can just like sit the fish. I'm gonna put your room key here. Whenever you go outside, you have to bring your room key with you.
Okay.
No need to press this door knob because that is automatically locked. But if you're inside and then you wanted to double lock your room, it's okay to press.
Okay.
This mini bar chips are chargeable. However, you can bring drinks inside the room from the bar. These 3 water, coffee, tea granules are free of charge twice a day refill. If you have a coffee maker, you can make your own coffee.
This one is, sorry, the mini bar is chargeable.
This is your bag. In front of the bed, you have a lot with you from the living.
Please.
So you have a hangout that can carry both of you to sunbed and then direct access to the sea.
Yes, okay, jump them off.
Okay, so you get the room. So this is your closet. Your closet has 3 bathrooms, iron sleep bags, laundry bag, life jacket, sleepers for all of you and rain. And your So you have bathtub, toilet, shower room. You can open this sliding door if you want. This is the amenities. Everything here are free of charge every day. Replenish. You have toothbrush, shampoo, lotion, soap, and many more. The hair dryer, fresh towels, and the delivery.
Okay.
You like it?
Thank you. Yes, so nice. Very nice.